Welcome back to the quiz. In this quiz, you'll face 20 IQ questions covering patterns, numbers, and visual logic, and you have 10 seconds to answer each of them. For every correct answer, you get 1 point. Comment your answer, and don't forget to count your result and share your result. And by the end, you'll know how close you are to beating an official IQ test. Are you ready to take the quiz? Then let's begin. Question number 1. Which word is most opposite in meaning to dreary? Option A, practical. Option B, joyful. Option C, alert. Option D, vivid. Correct answer is option B, joyful. Question number 2. Find the correctly spelt word. Correct answer is option A. Question number 3. Giant web is an anagram of which two words that are similar in meaning? Correct two words are gnaw and bite. Question number 4. What is a merle? Option A, blackbird. Option B, boat. Option C, tunnel. Option D, beach. Correct answer is option A, blackbird. Question number 5. Find an antonym for extol from option A, applause. Option B, denigrate. Option C, assuage. Option D, mien. Correct answer is option B, denigrate. Question number 6. Which is the odd one out? Option A, foal. Option B, calf. Option C, buck. Option D, joey. Correct answer is option C, buck. It is an adult male animal. The others are all names of young animals. Question number 7. Choose the alternative which as closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. Correct answer is option A. Question number 8. Make a 6-letter word from these 4 letters. I, V, Y, F. The 6-letter word is vivify, which means to make more lively or interesting. Question number 9. What number should come next? Option A, 15. Option B, 14. Option C, 13. Option D, 12. Correct answer is option A, 15. This is a simple alternating subtraction series which subtracts 2, then 5. Question number 10. Find the 2 words that are closest in meaning. Tranquil, placid, tremor, transgress, tacit, aptitude. Correct 2 words that are closest in meaning. Tranquil and placid. Question number 11. Which word, when placed in the brackets, will complete the word on the left and start the word on the right? Correct word is amp, which produces 2 words, scamp on the left and ample on the right. Question number 12. MNOP is 2, TSRQ as EFGH is 2. Correct answer is option C. LKJI follows EFGH in the alphabet, but in reverse order. Question number 13. Which is the missing tile? Correct answer is option F. Looking across and down, only same-colored dots in the same position in the first two squares are carried forward to the end square, but they change from black to white and vice versa. Question number 14. Simplify. The correct answer is -68. Do multiplication first, then work left to right with addition and subtraction. Question number 15. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. The present age of his son is option A, 14 years, option B, 18 years, option C, 20 years, option D, 22 years. Correct answer is option D, 22 years. Let the son's present age be X years. Then, the man's present age equals X plus 24 years. Or X plus 24 plus 2 equals 2X plus 2. Or X plus 26 equals 2X plus 4. Or X equals 22. Question number 16. Start at one of the corner squares and spiral clockwise around the perimeter, finishing at the center square to spell out a 9-letter word. You must provide the missing letters. The correct 9-letter word is reinforce. Question number 17. Which is the odd one out? Correct answer is option B. A is the same as F rotated, C is the same as G, and E is the same as D. Question number 18. If it takes 4 rat catchers 4 minutes to kill 4 rats, how many rat catchers would be needed to catch 50 rats in 50 minutes? The same number of rat catchers, 4. 1 rat catcher's rate is 1 rat per 4 minutes. In 50 minutes, 1 rat catcher would kill 50 divided by 4 equals 12.5 rats. Since you can't have half a rat, practically it's about 12 rats per catcher in 50 minutes. To kill 50 rats in 50 minutes, the number of catchers required is 50 divided by 12.5 equals 4. Question number 19. When the shape is folded to form a cube, which is the only one of the following that can be produced? Correct answer is option C. Question number 20. Change the position of 4 of the words in the sentence below so that it makes complete sense. By changing the position of 4 words, control, long, great, and achieve, it becomes, control is something most of us long for in our lives, and many of us will go to great lengths to achieve it, which makes complete sense. Congratulations! You've completed the test. Hope you remember your score. Please write your score in the comment box. Here are the results. You can pause and see. How many points can you get on the official IQ test? If you found the quiz useful, then hit like and share it with your friends too. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next quiz. Thank you.